Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to turn it off. To power off Google Pixel 10 Pro, we have to enter Power menu. To do it, press and hold power button and volume up button. Now simply select Power off. If you want to enter Power menu only via power button, you have to go to Settings and System. In System, find Gestures, press and hold power button and select Power menu instead of Digital Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.